food is that?
Back.
I think, what is that?
Back.
What's that?
Banana.
Yes, it is. Food. Is he
What's
under the bed, Luke? Look under the bed. No, what's that?
Agila.
Yeah, what does he say? Don't.
No.
Oh, we're going to share. Do you share with Simon and Lucy? They share their toys now. Luke is sharing his toys with you. We're going to play together.
Hi,
is he in the
Luke.
box? No. What's that?
But
Yes, he's not in the box. Uh-oh, there's Spot. He's under the rug. No, he's not.
Froggy.
What is that? It's not a froggy. Open it again. Tell me what it is. What is that?